Hey chat, so just a quick tutorial here on how that you can like clear the chats of the people, the ones that you were inactive with on Snapchat. So as you guys can see over there, I actually did gave my Snapchat avatar a makeover. As you can see, it's looking way more festive-ish and really cool because why not? And yeah, this is what it looks like. I did put like a jacket on, as you can see, especially sunglasses as well. I did update like my Snap avatar eyebrows, including the lips as well, or I should call them cheekbones. And I did add a Santa hat, as you can see, like some Christmas slippers right there, and especially some pajama trousers, especially that Christmas top over there. It has like the Christmas tree and the presents on that. Anyways, on to today's tutorial. So, that. Oh, of course it's gonna be an ad. Just give me a second. I just need to not interested. I see it too often. Well, even though I didn't. So I'm gonna show you guys on what to do here. So first, you just click on the three dots, and then you go to like manage chat, and you guys can look over there. I actually did remove like loads of inactive chats. So basically, I'm actually going to be picking the one that the ones that I chat really long. So, anyways, you just press the X button, and it's asking you that are you sure you want to clear this conversation? Well, I do, because I needed more chat space, obviously, duh. So you just click on that clear button, and that conversation has been quickly cleared. So there it is, chat. Here is my cleaned list of the chats. I basically did as you can see right there. Please ignore me showing you the chats, because I don't want to ask, because I don't want to be asked who they are. So basically, if there's like another people that you want to have, you just click on it again, and you click X, and then you just clear it. I was basically inactive in Rio, to be honest. So chat, that is how that you clear an in, the like the chat on Snapchat, even though that you are inactive on. So I hope this helps you out, because I really like making tutorials, to be honest, because I just like helping my subscribers out. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, and bye bye for now.